What is going on? This is Gorilla Garage. I am Mike, your host for the foreseeable future. So today I'm underneath the C30 on my back again. I'm 47 years old. This is getting old, but I enjoy it. So what we're doing today is we're going to try to change out the 4L80E transmission wiring harness. Let's see if I can. This is the side of the transmission, driver side, and this is the main connector. And this thing is all jacked up. When I try to plug it in, it just fell apart. Not to mention I'm missing the, right here, the VSS, which I already got that in. I'll put that in after we're complete here. But now I'm going to take this transmission pan down, so enjoy that. All right, I'm going to intro this video with an apology for putting out a video later than my scheduled time. I'm 2 days late. A lot of things been going on. No excuses. Learning this YouTube thing, trying to stay consistent. But anyways, if you guys are following for the C30 content, I got more coming in the next video after this one. This next video is about how to put in a transmission wiring harness. It's a quick video, but bottom line up front, the C30 content was kind of like sporadic wiring, and I didn't feel like there's enough to put a video out. So, but I'm gonna come to the end of this thing as far as getting it running, and I'll have a video in a week and a half for that one. So, thank you for watching. Hopefully, this video about this transmission wiring harness allows anybody to feel the confidence to put it in, because it's super easy. But I will caveat now, because I didn't put it in there, and I learned the hard way after I put everything back together. When you put in that main connector, use some channel locks or something to really get in there properly and tight. It's a snug fit. I didn't do it the first time. Got this truck started, it leaked. So I had to pull the pan, drain the fluid, and get in there and make sure it's seated. So that's my caveat. Thank you for watching, and here comes the video. Alright, let's get a better angle here. This is my first time really in this transmission. Man, it looks pretty good up in here. I'm pretty happy with it, but what we're going to do is be changing out this harness right here with another one I got off the interwebs. So it should be pretty straightforward. This normally pops inwards anyways. It's usually got a seal that seals it. And you just unclip these things, and it's pretty straightforward from what I gather. So let me see if I can get you set up. No way. I need better equipment. All right. Yeah. So, trying to got the replacement harness. So before I do anything, I'm going to compare the harness. That one looks good. That one looks good. This little red one in here looks good. And I can't see the other side right now. I get too much crap in the way. Let's take you for a ride with me. So we got a little brown harness. Whoops, sorry. And yeah, it looks pretty good. So since we're back here, let's see if I can start disconnecting this stuff. Right back here, I don't know if the lighting is going to be very good. That was pretty easy. I'm working on my camera work, folks. This hold the camera one-handed stuff is no bueno. Okay, there we go. Next, just clipped in here. Let's see if I can keep them. Yeah, this is fun. One-handed under the truck. Trying not to run. Another clip here. I need this. Let's see here. Put this off to the side right there. So right now I need this little reddish orange clip. Well, that was pretty easy. Over this line. Okay, that's one side of the harness. And this little clip here. And oh man, this is a double whammy. Got a screwdriver out here. That's not very user-friendly, GM. Okay. There we go. And this should just slide right out. And it does. Toss that out there. I'm gonna have to. There's some gunk in this. All right, I'm gonna take a break here. I'll come back. I'm gonna just clean up this port here. Gasket mating surface, the whole 9 yards. That's pretty basic, generic. So I'll be back when I go to install the new harness. See you in a minute. All right, we're back. And my hair is a hot mess, but I don't care. Anyways, so I went ahead and just cleaned the mating surface a little bit. Best I came up with a razor blade. Changed the filter out. And now we're going to install replacement harness. This is the main plug. I'm going to try to sneak it up into here, wherever it comes out. Had a decent little connection there. I hope that's all it takes because I have no idea. I'm not a transmission guy. So I'm gonna get this main harness up and through this portion here. Let's move this over. I'm sorry about the camera angle, guys. Trying to do this one hand, keeping this up ahead of everything. It is fun. You know what? I'm just gonna put you guys down. Let's see here. Okay. Anyways, fishing this main harness up and over this. I don't know what it is. Like I said, I'm not a transmission guy. While I'm here at this little red connector, I'm going to go ahead and try to slide that in. If I got it the right way. Alright, there's a groove. I'm going to have to twist this around like that. That's good. It can only go in one way. That was a nice click. I believe this is the temperature probe. Let's see here. I believe this right here is the temperature probe. Don't quote me on it. Anybody can comment, tell me I'm wrong. Anyways, let me see if I get these connectors in. These can also only go in one way, it looks like. So that's convenient. There we go. Let's move you guys over here. Just clip this into these hanger clips. Of course, the one zip ties on here is like right there. Let's move you guys again so I don't bump you. I'm going to go ahead and try to get this far one. Ow! That hurt. And then this last one for me. Man. Alright. That was easy. Never done that before. But yeah, it's pretty straightforward. So apparently mine was broken, my little main connector harness, but also there's an O-ring on there, and sometimes that leaks. There's a common point for a leak right there. So this is how you change out the main wiring harness for a 4L80E. Pretty straightforward, pretty easy. I think anybody can do it as long as you got nothing underneath your transmission pin so you can pull it out. Well, it's in the vehicle since I'm doing the vehicle here, but pretty straightforward. So again, main connector, two connectors here, one red here, one this red one here, and two on the back side. Pretty straightforward. So don't be afraid to tackle this job if you have to. I'm on jack stands, I'm on a creeper, you can be on your back. It's pretty easy. So thanks for taking the time to watch this quick video on the transmission wiring harness. So catch you next time.